the past decade, advancements in laser scanning have made it easier than ever to capture an asset's measurements in accurate 3D. Unfortunately, the modeling stage remains as tedious and time-consuming as ever, and a single model can take days to weeks before it's ready for downstream applications. EdgeWise Building automates floor plan generation and eliminates this bottleneck. It uses advanced computer vision algorithms to automatically model walls, levels, and other elements in your terrestrial or mobile point cloud data. Simply perform 1 or 2 manual setup steps, and the software processes scan data into usable models while it runs in the background, speeding up your modeling process by up to 75%. A deep set of options in the Revit plugin make it easy to generate documentation-ready models regardless of the project specifications. Configure wall thickness or increments for aligning angled walls. Lock in accuracy by specifying maximum displacements for rotations, and represent the geometry in Revit with total control. The Smart Points export contains all the points on the surface of a wall, enabling you to model doors, windows, and other wall-hosted elements with ease. EdgeWise Building eliminates the most tedious parts in the modeling process so you can generate floor plans faster and spend your valuable time where it counts. Thanks for watching.